So welcome to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also stay updated by following the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, if you take a look at this our gold, you can clearly see that we are now in an uptrend on gold. Gold is now in an uptrend move. So previously, we were in a downtrend move. This was the previous movement on our gold. It was previously on a downtrend move. Right now, we are now in an uptrend move. So this is what gold actually gave us. We had this our first movement, which is our first high. Then this is our higher low. Gold was able to push up one more time to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? Then gold was now able to push up again to form a new higher high, and this is the higher low. Now, gold then was able to give us a new higher high. The market has now dropped to form an equal higher low. So this is the higher low right there. We are currently at this equal higher low. So we will be expecting gold to reject from this level and push up back to this our previous high and possibly break above it. So whatever you would want to be doing on your gold, you would want to be going in for the buy. So gold is still on a bullish move. Now take a look at this right here. So market has given us this first movement, and this is a pullback on your 1 hour time frame. This is the second movement. You can wait for your pullback before you go in for the buy again. So whatever you would want to be doing, once the London session opens, you can be looking for your buy. So bullish move is still what we are going to be expecting for the day on our gold. If you get the buy setup, go ahead and hop in on the buy for the day. So make sure you subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the next update, and also follow the Telegram channel. You will find a link to the Telegram in the comment section.